Welcome to this new trip report. We begin our journey in Malmoe Hyllie station. The train to Copenhagen airport only takes 9 minutes. Today we are flying Air France business class to Paris in their Embraer 190. The airport is really empty today, and after a fast check-in, I made a quick visit to my favorite Danish ladies. These girls always have full control of everything that happens at the airport. Our flight today will leave from gate D3, but first a visit at the lounge. The Eventyr Lounge is one of the best at Copenhagen Airport, but it's located at the non-Schengen area, and to visit we have to pass the passport control first. These are some of the possibilities allowing you to enter the lounge. I will use my priority pass today. Since I will eat and drink in the lounge and at the flight, I'm taking the stairs instead of the elevator. This lounge offers a range of good food and drinks. In the coming weeks I will release a video showing more of the Copenhagen lounges, and of course Eventyr Lounge will be included. After a short walk to gate D3, it's time to board. Our ride today is this Embraer 190. The cabin has a configuration with 100 economy seats, and the airline used a curtain to divide economy and business class. My seat today is 2A. As you can see, the seats are a bit dated, but I can assure you they offer really good seat comfort. The legroom is actually great, and the overall seat experience is what I would expect when flying business class intra-Europe.
Pour des raisons de sécurité, nous vous demandons de respecter impérativement les numéros de siège qui vous ont été attribués pour le décollage et l'atterrissage.
The safety card is placed inside an additional pocket, which makes the seat pocket available for the passenger's own gear. A refreshing towel was handed out, and it felt good to freshen up a bit before the food service started. Today's lunch is a plate of salmon with bean salad, a cheese platter, bread and some lovely chocolates. It tasted quite good and the amount of food was perfect for a 2-hour flight. Click the link at the top of the screen to subscribe to my channel right now. It means a lot to me, and as a follower, you're among the first to see my new travel experiences. A really great way to spend the time on a flight like this is to enjoy the free-flowing champagne. Today's champagne is Duval Leroy, which I can recommend to try. It tasted really good, and together with the chocolate, it made this flight extra enjoyable. This form was handed out to all passengers due to the corona restrictions. The lavatory is really tiny, but kept clean and fresh throughout the flight. One can't expect anything more on a small plane like this. The pilot announced the descending a while ago, and it's time to land.
Please note your arrival or is located at Terminal 2F. You may now deactivate flight mode, place your seatbelt fastened and the limited sign has been switched off.
Madame, Monsieur, dans quelques instants, vous allez pouvoir débarquer par la porte avant afin de respecter les règles de distanciation lors du débarquement.
Thank you for flying with me. It's my pleasure to share my travel experiences with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Now, let's take a peek at next week's episode.